So we have a lot of questions, and so Megan Bragg is here in studio to answer, at least try to answer some of these questions.
I know.
So much information is coming into our newsroom.
Yeah, there's a lot of information coming in. You know, the main thing that I was looking at today, because so many people are like, why is York County not shutting them down right after this happened?
Right.
What is the county allowed to do? What are they not allowed to do? And there's actually a lot of things that the county can do to stop factories from, or companies from continuing, but environmental issues is not one of them. So we went to South Carolina law to look at the laws and what counties can do. So in South Carolina, counties are allowed to maybe shut factories or businesses down for zoning laws that have been, not followed, and they also can shut them down if the property is deemed unsafe. It's like dilapidated or something like that,
right.
And it's not safe for the public. So they can order them to evacuate and to shut down. They can't allow them to be permanently shut down, but they can take certain steps to stop production or whatever they need to. Now, when it comes to environmental, like air pollution, water pollution, that is up to the Department of Environmental Protection of South Carolina.
Okay.
So that's under their realm. They're the only ones that would be allowed to do something like this. Looks like they have sent a letter out saying a cease and desist to stop, but they can't just totally shut them down.
Yeah.
That would have to go, through court systems, and the company obviously has a chance to, make their case of what's going on. So it's not an automatic stop, shut down. There's a lot of red tape that needs to be cut through, right? And so the county, even though they can stop certain things, they can't stop everything. So people might be frustrated with the county, right?
Yeah.
But they can only do so much, and then it's up to the state to do something about it.
And federal investigators are involved in this case
Absolutely.
now. So, a lot of questions. We get that. When stuff like this happens, obviously the question is, well, why isn't the county doing something?
Right.
Why isn't the state doing something? So,
Right.
Yeah,
and it is important for people to take a step back and remember there's a lot of laws out there. There's a lot of red tape, right? And counties, cities, municipalities can only do so much until the state has to do something about it. So, I know a lot of folks out there are frustrated, and I get it, right? The school is just a few 100 yards away from there. I'm sure parents have a lot to say about this for their safety of their kids, but like I said, the county can only do so much.
Megan Bragg, a lot to sort through here as this breaking news and more information comes from what happened there, second incident this week at Silfab. When can folks catch your story?
They can catch it at 5 o'clock today.
5 o'clock. All right. You don't want to miss it. A lot of answers there. Let's take a break. We'll be back here in just 2 minutes here on Live Impact News on WCNC Plus.